Where's the laundromat?
What's up, nerd? Okay, King? Por estacionar. Y estacionar. I keep bringing you up.
So sorry, the song started earlier. Methodology, and it's that, hey,
I'm not gonna make it.
Right?
And you know whose card went down?
Thank you.
What'd you say?
All right, Fartastic fam, high fives all around for hitting that like goal and for sharing this video with your mom. You guys are the real MVP. Oof, hey, it wouldn't be a Browner prank without a little surprise, right? Don't worry, that high five was just a friendly welcome to the channel. In the meantime, in between time, I want to remind you to leave a comment suggesting funny one-liners that I could incorporate into a fart video. Also, I need your help with the YouTube fartturism, so leave a like and a comment telling me your favorite clip, and hopefully the fartturism gods will bless us. Most importantly, don't forget to brush your teeth. You don't want to end up like this guy. Also, join the members, aka the Peace Squad. The link should be in the description. So hit that like button, subscribe for more epic pranks and hilarious wet farts. Until next time, keep it scheming and keep it fartastic. Peace.